Wow! Woo!
Goodbye. So this is how it looks. Looks very pretty. It's half an hour away from my college. I don't know. You have to go through this entrance basically. There are a lot of restaurants in here by the way. Oh my god, this looks pretty. This is Aioli restaurant. We are going to French Treaty. Oh my god, these pastries look so cute. Quite rustic. I left the menu by the way. Oh, there's a letter. I don't have time to read. Actually, I have a bus in the evening at 10. So I think this is pretty much, it's not that visible. I think, huh? Plateau, dessert and beverage menu. Oh my god. They have cheesecake. Oh, I don't even know what to eat here. So, like I came here. Oh, thank you. Looks so cute. You should see. That's my hot mocha. By the way, this is a very quiet place to be honest. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. I'll keep it here. Uh, so one thing I wanted to learn is not to be afraid in front of the camera, and I'll be painting strawberry tart. I don't know if I'll be successful or not. While painting, I'll sip some coffee and have some watermelon citrus feta. To be honest, it took me around 20 minutes to select what I wanted because most of the things are above budget for a college student. If you're earning plus being in college, then it's fine. Let's do. I'll try talking as much as possible in a very quiet voice because it's a very silent place. And I came here alone, so it's a little awkward to shoot by myself, but I'll try to do it because this year is all about overcoming my fears, and one of it is public speaking. So, over this timeline, I learned one very big thing is like only content creators understand other content creators' pain of creating content. Like, I'll be honest, rest of the people really don't care. Genuinely, they don't give a fuck about what you're posting, what you don't. And if your content hits to people, that creates a hook that matters. Like that is because you're making an effort to make yourself visible. So one of the most basic things that you need to learn if you're creating content is don't worry about others, what they are thinking, what they are doing. Just think about yourself and just wing it like that. And second thing is as you grow up in your life, you have to accommodate a lot, like lot more than you can expect. To a point, you can't even understand yourself if you're doing the right thing or the wrong thing. You have to accommodate in life to that level. And it will come, no matter what, it will come. It will come maybe after marriage, or maybe you go to college and you can't be studying from home. You're not studying from home. You have to learn how to deal with people, to be honest. I think so far it's really bad. I think it's not gonna turn out good. Let's try. By the way, shout out to my bestie Shreya for gifting me this. My God, like this is like a lifesaver. Whenever I feel like a retreat, like I want to have a retreat in my life, wherein I just want to be away from people, this helps me. My amygdala lights up when I paint. And definitely, I think I have started liking to talk about myself. Not brag, but talk about myself. See you after I'm done with the drawing. Guys, you need to look at this beauty, like art. I wouldn't like to ruin it. It looks too good, to be honest. It looks too good. It's perfection. It's just art. Oh my God, just look. There are some pickled onions. These are watermelon. This is feta. This is arugula, and this is the cucumber. I can finish this in one bite, to be honest. Okay, let's taste test this beauty. Tastes like watermelon. Oh, there are some oranges in here. Good. But worth spending 300 rupees for eating watermelon? Yeah, if you want to treat yourself well. In fact, the washroom is too fancy in here. People come here to watch or to pee. Just kidding. It looks so pretty. I love it. It has this vintage light. One is working, another one is not working, to be honest. And it has this infant bed, which is what I actually like about these restaurants altogether, because they care about women. This shows care, to be honest. Bathroom check. Just kidding. Uh, so I had quite an experience today. I have never done this before in Bangalore. Alone in a strange city. Like it's not very strange anymore because I had been living here for almost a year. But still, it was very strange for me, very new for me, to be honest, because I had always been with my friends and not been alone. And I wanted to experience this. To be honest, it was the best experience overall, like a very good experience. The place where it has been situated, like the French treaty, it's little difficult to find, but if you go in, you can find it easily. Secondly, it's a very quiet place. It's a paradise for you if you love being at a quiet place. It has several stores in it, some bookstores, a bouquet store. It's a paradise for people, like for couples, to be honest. You guys know I was painting in there for about 2 hours. Yeah, it took me 2 hours to paint that cake. I wanted some details in it. I want to work more on it, but I don't know if I have the motivation to do more onto it or not. I had some eyes on my activity, but no one bothered me like in a bad way or any way. I loved that part. And secondly, it's situated in Avanahalli. I don't know if I'm sounding it correct or not. And Avanali is this secluded place that no one would know actually, but a very good place to explore. And it comes to cafes. Other than that, the roads, like I live in Manali, the roads are quite bad. While I was coming back, one major drawback was while I was coming back, it was little unsafe for me because there were no lights. Plus, the roads were broken apart. Like, you can't imagine the type of road it was. Somehow, the rider was like, driver was really good with his skills and we didn't fall. So, that is one thing. And yeah, if you are a person who is living in Yalanka, you should definitely explore this place because it's very close to Yalanka. So yeah, that's it. And definitely explore more items. I had hot mocha and citrus watermelon feta. Both the items were really good, but I'm really hungry right now because watermelon can't fill your stomach, right? And yeah, so one thing's one, it's priced at a very high point. So go only if you have a boyfriend who can pay for your bills. Just kidding, like just kidding. It's a good place to explore if you are alone or with a partner or with a family. Yeah, and I have seen they had open kitchen and they were making pastas from scratch. I think black squiding pasta and that egg yolk pasta, everything was made from scratch. So yeah, food is really great there. So yeah, obviously great food comes with great price, hence the price range. So yeah, definitely you should go to this place sometime soon. Bye.